May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore, ma'am?
Hello, I'm Soumya. My residence is in Banchingli 3rd stage.
How old is your child?
She's 5.5 years now.
What are you looking for your child?
Actually, I was looking for mainly dance. It could be a western or anything, but I wanted her to be in some physical, part of some physical activity. So she was very interested in dance, so I was mainly looking into dance. I came across many institutes in and around Banchingli 3rd stage, but I found this AIRD, that is Shrishti Kala Mandir, very reasonable in that rates. So I thought her to come up here and put her over here, because they also come across with finally, it's almost not just finally, it's almost for 1 year there will be around 2 or 3 stage performances, their annual days and some other days and all. They'll be given more stage performances they'll be going on through.
Okay.
So, which is really good, where I found that my kid is getting a great opportunity. So I came for this.
Which other hobby classes did you consider?
I considered many in and around the 3rd stage over here. I don't remember the names actually. Some institutes are also there, and some people are running in their homes also.
Which one did you finally choose and why?
That is mainly because I chose Shrishti because it is mainly reasonable and it is quite near to my house, and they also come up with stage performance every now and then. So I wanted my daughter to become stage fearless. So I wanted her to participate in all the activities.
Okay. How has your experience been with Shrishti Kala Vidyalaya?
It's very nice. The sir is very friendly. In fact, he's very. He comes across all the activities. He's very friendly with the parents. He comes and tells each and every activity which is going on over here. So that the interaction is very good. In fact, so that is the main reason I came for this.
Anything that could be better?
I don't think so. There is anything better than this.
Okay, based on your experience, tell me 2 best things about Shrishti Kala Vidyalaya Vidyapita.
Well, the main thing is at one spot or one institute you can find dance, music, that is light music, and keyboard, and there are many things, drawing, and many things are happening in here. So that is the main thing I found very good in here. And also the one more thing was the stage performance. So I'm very happy with it. Even the rates are very reasonable.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Shrishti Kala Vidyalaya Vidyapita Circle to other parents?
I can say it is 4.8.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.